Hello, everybody. Happy weekend. Hope everyone is enjoying their weekend. um, Today I want to talk about using lemon, the benefits of using lemon to clear certain parts of our body. How we can benefit from that internally and external. Lemon have many benefits. The lemon you use every day. People have been using lemon since the beginning of time, since they know what it can do for us, and it does a lot for mankind. Lemon have a lot of benefit for human beings. We benefit a lot. People use lemon for cooking. We use lemon for drinking. We use lemon on our skin. Today I want to talk about the lemon on our skin. uh, for especially for we women, there are women, or can I say man and women, who have very dark underarm and who sweat a lot under their arm. Teenagers, boys, girls, makes no difference. Women, grown up women, men, we all sweat under the arm. And using lemon has been used since the beginning of time in a lot of countries to take care of the odor that comes from sweating under the arm. Lemon has been used to take care of that even before deodorant was invented. Even before deodorant is bottled into a glass or a bottle for us to use, lemon has been existed. Lemon has been used all that time. After taking a douche, you take a drop of lemon in your hand and you use it, rub it under your arms. It will stop you from smelling the whole day. Stop the odor that comes from there for the whole day. And also it stop the sweating. That means under your arm will not be dripping wet with the sweat that come from under the armpit. Again, lemon can also be used for people who have dark underarm. Naturally there are people who have their color skin. Doesn't matter whether you are black, under your arm is black. If you are in the middle, under your arm, all over, or your color is around the middle, you are not that black, kind of lighter, a little bit light, under your arms is also the same color. But there are people also who are light skin and under their arm is dark color. Lemon can be used. If you are using lemon all the time under your arm, it's lightening that part of the hand. It make the dark color under your arm to go away. Make it the color all make the color there to be the same color all over. It will not be that dark anymore. It will take away the odor. It will stop excessive sweat. The under the armpit will stop excreting excessive sweat, to decrease the production of the sweat a lot. And another benefit again is for people, men and women also have that problem, under their laps. People also tend to have dark patches, under on their laps, between their laps, where they walk. Their laps is always rubbing together, and in the process, that place become dark naturally, just just like that. Lemon can be used also to clear that place. When you finish for taking your bath, just drop a drop, squeeze a drop of lime on your hand, and maybe with baby oil or olive oil, it doesn't matter, just any oil that you are using with it, and use it to rub that place. If you want it to be more effective, fast, do it at night, also before you go to bed. In the morning when you wake up, just wash it off. After you take your douche again, rub it again before you go out. It will blend the color to be the same color as your own skin. And another one again, the benefits of lemon again is for women who use cream. There are women who use cream to lighten up their skin. They call it skin toning, bleaching. There, but in the process of doing that, they develop that kind of dark circle around their face, around like this, yeah, kind of a dark patch around it. To clear that kind of dark patches, it's always good at night to take baby oil, a drop of baby oil and a drop of lemon on it. Rub it and rub it on that place. You go to bed, or you can rub it all over the face so that it will all become the same before you go to bed. In the morning, you wash it off. When you take a bath, before you rub your cream again, take another baby oil, drop a lime on it, and use it on that place, and then you use your cream. There are also people who have dark neck. You see around their neck here, or their whole skin color is the same, but they happen to have dark, their neck, you see it's like a ring, and it's dark. The ring happen to be dark compared to their normal skin colors. Take baby oil, drop a drop of lemon, mix it together, and use it on your neck before going to bed. In the morning, when you take a bath again, do the same thing again before you rub your cream. You do those things for 3 weeks, 1 month, you will see the difference. There are people again who have all these dark patches of pimples around their face. There are peoples who have pimples on their face, and they can't keep their fingers away from that. They keep every time on, and in the process, they leave a lot of dark patches all around their face, and you can see these dark patches from far away. To clear it, also you can do that. Just a drop of lemon in your hand, baby oil, rub it on your face before you go to bed. In the morning, wash it off. Do the same thing again before, when you take your bath, before you go out. Do that for a long time, you see it will clear. The another use of lemon again is for those people who use cream heavily. They all over their body, you will see their skin, they succeeded in bleaching the skin. Their face is light, their body is light, but you see their hand, and especially their knuckle here, is all black, here is all black. So for you to clear those dark lines here in the night, or when you are just sitting watching TV for 20 or half an hour, 30 minutes, take a drop of oil, put citron on it, rub your hand with it. If you want it to be faster, take a plastic, like little plastic that they use for water, those kind of water they put water, or bread plastic, I don't know. Just put it in your hand, wrap it around your hand, put it on the other one, wrap it around it. After you have put the oil in and lime on, you have used it to rub your hand. Then you tie the plastic around your hand, put another one in this hand, tie it around. Just sit down there and be watching TV for the next half an hour. Take it off, go wash your hand. You will see, if you can do that for a while. The same thing with your leg, all your foot. It will clear the dark circles around your toes on your leg, you know make it make the color to blend all the same. They become the same. Also, lemon and baby oil is good for women who just have babies. Pregnant women, a lot of pregnant women their colors tend to change very drastically when they are pregnant. Some women just go really, really dark, and that dark concentrated on their stomach sometimes, and on the back of their buttocks. Even after they have the baby, those colors don't go away on time. So for you to clear them, you can do the same. Use baby oil and lemon to rub on it at night before you go to bed. After you have taken your douche, rub it, you go to bed. In the morning when you wake up, you take your bath, do the same thing again. When you constantly do that for 1 month or 6 weeks, you will see the difference. It will clear. Your stomach color will be the same as your chest, will be the same as the rest of your body. I really hope this the benefits use of lemon on a certain part of our body will be of benefit to everybody who seriously is in need of this little talk from me. I hope you enjoy it. I will come again next week. So take care. Have a nice week. My warm regard to the family, to good friends, to the parents. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Stay blessed. Bye.